In this short video, I want to share the process of creation a stylized fire texture that can be used to achieve an effect like this in Unity, Unreal, or any other game engine. The first step is to create a noise pattern that resembles the structure of fire. For this, we will use a variety of built-in noises, applying sequential warps and combining them with gradients and other masks. The second step is shaping the fire into a flame-like wave. Here again, we can use basic noise textures along with the cross-section node, followed by additional warping. In the third step, we bring everything together, the fiery wave and the fiery structure, using the same techniques we applied earlier. The beauty of Substance Designer is that the process is fully procedural, which means we can always go back to the start of the graph and adjust any parameters to achieve exactly the texture we want. Finally, we can export our texture and, with some basic shader techniques such as distortion, masking and color grading, create an ambient fire effect, but this is the subject of the next video. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Have a great time!